Good morning, Kentwood. Today's October 14th. I'm Jackie.
And I'm Hannah.
And this is ConkTV.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance Please be seated.
What's cooking today, Kentwood? Today we have turkey gravy and mashed potatoes.
There's a choir concert tonight at 7 p.m. in the PAC.
Cons for Success meets Tuesdays and Thursdays after school. Transportation will be provided.
Attention freshmen, sophomores, and seniors. We still need more class representatives.
Pick up your applications before school and during lunches in the activities office. Free order cards are available at the counseling office. Check your bulletin for more.
There is a planning meeting for the MLK Assembly on October 24th. AP students, please play your AP exams at the cashier's window or on the KSD website no later than November 10th. The Kentwood Homecoming Dance is this Saturday, October 15th from 7 to 10 p.m. in the main gym.
Remember, Conks, it's your last day to buy homecoming tickets.
Hello, Kentwood. I wanted to go over a few important rules with you before you come to the homecoming dance on Saturday. Please remember that you must bring a photo ID to the dance. The name on the photo ID must match the name of the person who purchased the ticket. You cannot transfer your ticket to someone else for them to get into the dance. We have a list at the dance of each Kentwood student that purchased a ticket, and the ID must match that person's name. If you're bringing a guest, that guest must also bring photo identification, and that must include their date of birth. If you're bringing a guest, you and the guest must enter the dance at the same time. Guest tickets are not transferable to someone else. The guest passes will be at the dance, and we will be checking to ensure that the guest that you purchased a ticket for is the guest that you are bringing. Please remember these additional Kentwood dance rules. You cannot come to the dance, leave, and then re-enter. Any person coming to the Kentwood dance must be 9th grade to 20 years old. Cannot enter the dance after 9:30 p.m. We will have a coat check, but no bags will be allowed to be carried into the homecoming dance, and all bags are subject to search. We want to make this a fun event that everybody can enjoy, so please remember that you need to be trustworthy and responsible while you're at the dance. And we are looking forward to our first homecoming since 2019. Kentwood, we can't wait to see you there. Let's make this a safe, fun, and memorable event for everyone.
Tomorrow is Kentwood Spirit Day.
Wear all your Kentwood colors or gear.
Make sure you send in your Spirit Day and homecoming photos into the ConkTV Instagram page to be featured in our next episode.
We're the best without a doubt. Class of 26, shout it out. Let's make it roar for Class of 24!
What's up, Kentwood? My name is Jackie. I'm your ASB president, and here are your assembly rules. Come on. Remember when you come in to sit with your class. We have the freshmen, and we have the sophomores. We have the juniors. We have the seniors. Save up the first few rows for suited up football players, ASB, and homecoming court. Remember, when you get here, place your backpack on your feet, not on the bleachers. Make sure you're quiet, standing, and remove your hats for the singing of the national anthem. Make sure you're quiet when someone in the microphone is speaking. Make sure you know your class chants.
Let's make a roar for Class of 24!
Don't rush the floor. Know the fight song. Follow the cheerleaders, participate in cheers, and be competitive. the end of the assembly, stay in your seats until your class is dismissed. Freshmen.
And conks, if you want a quieter space, talk to your 6th period teacher to be excused from the assembly.
Remember, this is our first assembly. We want it to be safe and fun for everyone. It's great to be alive.
It's